Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, listen carefully to the situation which I'm going to create. Okay, the situation is that suppose you are feeling thirsty and you have no water and you are traveling to your home. You are in the bus. Somebody has the water, but you don't have. In this situation, what will you do? Listen again. Suppose that you are feeling thirsty. You don't have water. You are traveling. You are in the bus. Somebody has the water, but you have no water. In this situation, what will you do? Not right. Just think and speak. Hassan,
Assalamu alaikum.
please.
Suppose I am thirsty and I am on the bus and I don't have water, but somebody has water in the bus. So in this situation, I will request my next seat. Please give me the water. Please give me water.
Okay.
Uh,
Acha, Atif, please. Shabash.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I am feeling thirsty. I am traveling in the bus. Uh, Somebody has a water, but I don't have water. What will I do in this situation? Uh, First of all, I will wait somebody who uh, sell the water. Uh, After that, he uh, don't come. I will request somebody. He sit nearby me, and uh, I will say to him, brother, please give me some water. After that, he don't give me water. I will say other person. Uh,
Okay. Great, mashallah. Kashif.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Yes.
Suppose I am thirsty and I am traveling by bus and somebody has a water. I have no water. In this situation, first of all, I will wait the water seller and uh, I will not ask for helping somebody or someone because these days we cannot share our lunch or these these things like water, food, and in this situation, everyone feels ashamed. So that's why I will not ask for help in this for somebody. I will let some water seller. Uh, Otherwise, I will take water or I will drink water after stopping. That's it.
Okay, great. You spoke well. Mashallah. Tajuddin.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalam.
Suppose that I am traveling by train. I never ask please water. I will ask people sitting next to me if they have water on and will buy it, brother, and please give me water. I will buy water, please. But my brother, I have not water. But I never please give me waters. No, bro, I don't have water.
Okay, shabash. Next, Noshina, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Suhail Alam and Atia, you also be ready. Then I will create next situation, please.
Suppose I am thirsty. I am traveling I am in the bus and I don't have a water. Someone has water. What will I do in this situation? First of all, I will never try to any other person give me water because I don't have a habit to drink someone's water or eat someone's food or anything else. And how I know is she or he well or sick? That's why I will never try to tell any other person give me water. I will wait until I will reach home. Otherwise, I will tell to the bus driver, please, could you stop the bus? I want to bring some water. If he will not agree, then I will wait and I will drink water and I will wait until I will reach the home and I will drink water at home.
बेहतरीन बच्ची, ग्रामेटिकली भी सही बोली है, बहुत बढ़िया बोली बच्ची, माशाल्लाह बेटी, शाबाश। सुहेल, देखिए आप ग्रामेटिकली सही बोलने की कोशिश करिए, ट्राई टू स्पीक करेक्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्रामर, प्लीज सुहेल।
Assalamualaikum.
प्लीज।
Suppose I am traveling by the bus and I am on the bus and I am feeling thirsty and I have no water to drink. In this situation, what will I do? First of all, I will look around in the bus and I will ask him who knows me and I know him. Otherwise, I will not ask with anyone to drink water. And I will convince myself and the bus will stop next bus stand. I will buy water bottle. Then I will drink.
Great.
Otherwise, I will not ask with anyone.
स्पोक वेल, अमेजिंग, ग्रामेटिकली बिल्कुल सही बोले हो आप बाबू, नो मिस्टेक, ये अच्छी चीज है माशाल्लाह। अतिया रहमान, अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ आपको थोड़ा सा ये बताऊंगा भी, आप ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक भी कर रहे हो, ताकि आपको ये पता भी रहे, आप सोचते हो कि मैं सही बोल गया, सर ने तारीफ कर दी है। थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा आप लोगों को, आप ग्रामेटिकली सही। दो बच्चे बहुत अच्छा बोले हैं, सुहेल, और इनसे पहले कौन था, एक बच्चा और था, कौन था, जरा नाम लिखना मुझे यहाँ।
सर।
अरे वो बच्ची थी यहाँ, वो जोरदार वाली जो है, नौशीना। प्लीज गुड़िया।
Suppose I will be traveling on the bus. Uh, I feel thirsty. I will never ask to anyone. I will wait for the bus for the stoppage. Then I will go and buy water bottle, and then after that I will take water.
Great, mashallah. Next situation for 5 or 6 people, be ready. The situation is that, suppose that you are sleeping at night with your all family members. Your all family members have slept and you also slept. But at the middle of the night, you feel that you have a pain in your stomach. That is called stomach ache. You have a pain in your stomach. In this situation, what will you do? Listen again. Suppose that you and your all family members are sleeping. You also have slept. Your family members also have slept. At the middle of the night, you feel that you have stomach ache. You have a pain in your stomach. In this situation, what will you do? You have 10 seconds to think. जास्मीन को बुलाइएगा after 10 seconds. सब लोग बोला कीजिए, क्रिएट किया करो, सब ये पूरे सर मुझे से पूछ रहे हैं, तो बनाया करो सब लोग बैठे बैठे वहां। इनवाइट। प्लीज बाबू।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम।
Suppose that I am sleeping and all my family members are sleeping, and in the middle of night I feel pain in my stomach. what will I do in this situation? So first of all, I will drink water. If after drinking water, my pain is finished, then otherwise, I will search in my first aid box. It has some uh, painkiller or not, and if I find some painkiller, then I will take. Otherwise, I know about these medicines, then I should take. Otherwise, I will call my mother and my father, and I will wake up if my pain is not uh, um,
Okay.
decrease, not decrease.
Okay.
Then I will call my fathers.
हम्म
Okay. Thank you.
ग्रेट माशाल्लाह 90% बोले हैं आप. ग्रामेटिकली बहुत कम मिस्टेक्स है बाबू. अच्छा बोले हो लेकिन. राबिया.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम जी.
Suppose that I am sleeping at night with my family member. My family member also has slept. I have also slept at the middle of night. I feel that I have stomach ache. What will I do in this situation? First of all, if I know if there is a painkiller, then I will take. If there is no painkiller, then I will go. I will go with my family, and I will said that I have a stomach ache. What will I do? And if there is doctor at if there are hospital at night, then I will go with my family there, and I will take the medicine.
अच्छा बहुत अच्छा बोली हैं बाबू. बहुत कम मिस्टेक्स हैं आपकी भी. एक आध है बस. बहुत अच्छा बोली हो बाबू आप. शाबाश. सद्दाम कुरैशी.
Assalamualaikum.
अस्सलाम जी भाई.
Suppose
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
that I am sleeping at my home and all family members sleep. I am pain stomach. So I call my mother, my pain stomach, and take my medicine. But I don't have medicine at my house. But I call my I have a friend, two doctors. But I will call my friend Doctor Salman. But I pain stomach. He said me, but he said me call my friend is doctor. You come with me, and I I will go. I will go. I will go the doctor. I will go hospital in my brother with my brother, and I take medicine.
ओके. अच्छा ब्रदर सद्दाम. शाबाश. स्पोक वेल माशाल्लाह. बहुत अच्छी ट्राई. हीना. हीना over there please.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalaam. Yes.
Suppose I am at home with all my family members at the time of night and we are going to sleep. So everyone has slept, but I also get slept. In the middle of the night, I get stomach ache. I woke up and slowly I'll go to the kitchen and I will drink some water and I'll look for the lemon because lemon is good for our health and stomach ache. So I will look for that, and after that I will take that. If I get it, I will take and I will drink it up, and I'll go to sleep because I can't disturb everyone because they are sleeping.
Great. Spoke well. बच्ची ने कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करी. बहुत अच्छा बोली. कोई ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक नहीं है. माशाल्लाह. अच्छा बेटे.
Thank you.
माशाल्लाह. जी अशरफ प्लीज. अशरफ हुसैन. नेक्स्ट अमातुल मुहीद.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम प्लीज.
In this situation, sir, थोड़ा आवाज भी निकल रही, पर थोड़ा short बोल देती. In this situation, I have a stomach ache. While I and my family members are sleeping, I will try to handle it quickly so I don't disturb anyone. First, I'll drink some warm water. If the pain continues, I might take some medicine. If it get worse, I will wake up my parents for help.
बेहतरीन, शाबाश, spoke well, no mistake
Jazakallah khair.
grammatically, माशाल्लाह जी।
Jazakallah.
एक स्टूडेंट को और बुलाइए, हसन उज़्ज़मा, उसके बाद न्यू सिचुएशन।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
जी ब्रदर, वालेकुम।
Suppose that at my I am at home. That time all my all family members slept, and I also slept. And middle night, my stomach, I feel my stomach. Then I will search first. I will search home medicine have or not. After that, I didn't get the medicine. Then I informed my parents, and my parents came and asked me what happened. I I said my problem. Then my father called his friend and said my problem. He told me, he told my father first give the aqua water, one of glass, and I drank one of glass water. After that, after some time I feel better.
ओके, अच्छा ब्रदर हसन, अब बहुत अच्छी क्वेश्चन माशाल्लाह। हाँ, ग्रामेटिकली कुछ मिस्टेक्स हैं इसमें, वो सही करनी है आपको। नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन, लिसन केयरफुली। देखता हूं जो लॉजिकल आंसर दे देगा इसका, नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर दूंगा, चाहे पहले ही बच्चा हो। लेट्स सी। हाँ, दोबारा मत आना, जो हो गया कभी ही ना चक्कर में दोबारा आ जाऊं, बहुत पिटाई करूंगा नालायक की। ओके, सपोज दैट you have an online classes of Zakaria sir, and your teacher made the announcement yesterday that the topic is going to be very important tomorrow. Everyone please join the class. Unfortunately, when the day comes, you have no internet, your brother, your mother, your all family members have no internet connection. In this situation, what will you do? Listen again. Suppose that you have an online class of Zakaria sir, and your teacher made the announcement that the topic of tomorrow is going to be very important. Everyone must join the class. When the day comes, unfortunately, you have no internet connection. Your all family members also have no internet connection. In this situation, what will you do and how will you manage? You have 10 seconds to think, Arshi Firdaus, because you are the first person who is going to give the answer to the situation. बाकी लोग भी सोचिए, बुला सकता हूं किसी को, अनएक्सपेक्टेडली बुलाऊंगा, लेकिन बोले करो बच्चों, शाबाश, बोले करो, आप वही बैठे बैठे बोला करो, शाबाश। अर्शी फिरदौस।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम सलाम। यस
सर, एक बात कहनी थी आपसे।
हाँ बेटी प्लीज।
सर, जब आप टॉपिक बोलते हो ना कि मतलब कि आप लोग को बनाना है एक पैराग्राफ टाइप में, आपको बोलना है, मतलब जो आपके माइंड में आ रहा है वो आपको बोलना है। तो जब आप मतलब टॉपिक देते हो तो मैं उसको मेमोराइज करती हूँ कि मुझे ये बोलना है, और फिर आप जब मेरा टाइम आता है तो फिर टॉपिक चेंज होता है, और फिर रिसेंटली हम कोई भी कैसे बनाए हम कंफ्यूज होते हैं इसमें। तो जो बनाए होते हैं तो उसका मतलब वो मेरा चांस नहीं आता है, और फिर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है तो उसमें मेरा चांस आता है। और जब मैं इतना मेरा माइंड है ना कि मैं जल्दी कोई टॉपिक पे, जैसा होता है ना कि रिसेंटली कुछ बना नहीं पाती हूँ मैं, तो हेजिटेशन फील होने लगता है, और फिर मेरा नाम आने लगता है कि आप फर्स्ट पे हो। तो थोड़ा सा डर लगने लगता है, मतलब
मेरी
अभी मैं
बेटी
बना रही
पिछले वाले का ही आंसर दो आप, कोई बात नहीं। मेरी बेटी आओ, शाबाश। आपने कैसी फिक्र करी, शाबाश, चलिए।
if suppose that I am sleeping at the night, and my family member also sleeping, and at the mid of night, uh, I have pain in my stomach. That time I will do that. First of all, I will wake up and I will try to bear my pain, and after that, I will not take medicine recently, because medicine is not good for health. I will try to bear my pain, and after that, if I control of out of control my pain, then I will take medicine, and I will walk in my room, and if I feel well, then I go to sleep, and after that, in the morning, I will tell my parents to that my problems. Then in the night, I sorry sir.
ग्रेट, स्पोक वेल। आपकी कोई ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक नहीं है बेटी, इतना अच्छा बोली हैं आप, माशाल्लाह। मैं यही नोटिस कर रहा था। अच्छी बच्ची अर्शी, माशाल्लाह, क्या बात है। चलो चाय पिला देना है, और मेरी नियत करके खुद ही पी लेना जी। सहीफा, आप वही जवाब दो बाबू जो अभी सिचुएशन क्रिएट की थी। अब सहीफा कहेंगे मैं ही भूल गई सर।
Suppose I joined Zakaria sir classes, and sir told every student today is a very important point. You should join tomorrow, and I joined Zakaria sir classes, and suddenly I have finished my internet and my family. So what will do you in this situation? So I connect Wi-Fi, and I called my any friend, and I take his hotspot, and I joined Zakaria sir of classes. That's it.
ओके, अच्छा है। बट मेरी बेटी, नो वन हैज इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ना, हाउ विल यू कनेक्ट विद वाईफाई? ओके, हुजैफा, ये कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश, स्पोक वेल, अच्छा बोली हो बेटी आप। ग्रामेटिकली बहुत कम मिस्टेक्स हैं, अच्छा है।
वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू सर।
सलाम जी भाई साहब। जैनब, नंबर आ रहा बेटी, इसके बाद पिटाई करूंगा, जरा गरीब नालायक रिपीट कर दीजिए। हाँ।
Suppose Zakaria sir told tomorrow is very important class. Please join. In that situation, I will join class in 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, and my data has finished, and my family members also. In that situation, what can I do? In that situation, I go on phone pay, and I recharge on my phone, and I have joined class of Zakaria sir.
How will you go to pay the phone? You have no internet access. Phone pay also needs an internet connection. Okay, no problem. Zainab.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alayhi, yes.
Suppose I have online classes, and Zakaria sir said that tomorrow is important topic. Everyone should join, and I have finished my data. So in this situation, what will I do? In this situation, I will tell to my neighbor that you have internet. So if she has internet, so I will join with her internet, and if she don't have, so I will pay money.
Okay, चलिए, अच्छा है, शाबाश, अच्छी ट्राई बेटे। ग्रामेटिकली कोई मिस्टेक्स हैं तो सही करना है बेटे। जी हसन, यू हैव डन बाबू। अभी रुक जाइए हसन, आप बाबू रुकइए को बुलाइए। हाँ यार, लिखिए मत, कोई जवाब यार लिखना मत, नो वन विल राइट। सलाम जी भाई साहब।
If I take a class from the career sir, and my teacher announced yesterday that tomorrow topic will very important, so everyone should be joined. And unfortunately, I have no internet, and unfortunately, no one has the internet in my family members also. And then in this situation, I will go to my friend's house. Because there is Wi-Fi, and then I will open my Wi-Fi. Then my Wi-Fi is connected, and then I take class from the career sir. And after finishing my class, I will return to my home. And by the way, my luck is not working. Then I watch this class tomorrow. I will watch this class tomorrow because our sir provided this class is also recorded.
इनक्रेडिबल बच्ची, ये था पॉइंट इसमें। बेहतरीन, क्या बात है। अरे रुकैया रुकैया भाई, अतीबा तुम हल्के में लेती हो रुकैया को, बहुत गलत बात है। अच्छी बच्ची, यस ये था पॉइंट। अरे नहीं है इंटरनेट कहीं भैया, तो करेंगे क्या? अगले दिन रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन तो आ जाएगा, चलो अगले दिन आ जाएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन देख लेंगे। आएगा कल नहीं आएगा, परसों आएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन तो मिलेगा ही। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन। अब फरा सोच रही हूँ यार, मेरी तो इसमें तैयारी थी, ये क्या कर दिया। नहीं फरा बाबू, नेक्स्ट देखिए, वो मैंने पहले कहा था ना, ये जो इसका लॉजिकल आंसर है वो यही है, बाकी थोड़ी सी जुगाड़बाजी सी है, ठीक है, लेकिन है असल यही है। नहीं ना, मतलब ये है कि घर वालों के पास ना होने का मतलब है कि इंटरनेट है ही नहीं, तो करना क्या है फिर? देखो बच्चों, ये सिचुएशन आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत सारे सबक भी सिखा रहा है आपको, समझ में आ रहा है जी। नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन। सपोज दैट you are going to airport and at the entrance of airport showing ID is necessary and mandatory, but you have no ID card at the moment, you forgot all your documents at home and you need to show quickly some ID, otherwise policeman will catch you or will ask you so many questions. In this situation, how will you manage all the things? Listen again. Suppose that you are going to the airport and at the entrance of airport, you need to show your documents, but unfortunately you forgot your all documents at home. And the policeman is asking you about your documents. Please show me. You have your tickets, but you have no document. In this situation, what will you do? You have 10 seconds to sing Farah. Invite.
Sorry. I am going to airport. At entrance, I need all papers, but I have only ticket. I lost. Sorry, I forget my all papers in home. Um, sorry, sir.
Okay, चलिए शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, अच्छी ट्राई। नेक्स्ट, फौजिया।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Islam, yes.
Suppose I am going to airport on the I on the entrance and I need all my documents and I forgot my all documents at home. Then I will do. First of all, I realize that my husband make a PDF on my mobile, my all documents PDF. Then I will search my all documents PDF. Then I am search my PDF and after that I saw them my PDF.
ओके शाबाश, अच्छा है, हल्की है,
Okay, sir.
ग्रामेटिकली कुछ मिस्टेक्स हैं बाबू। बुशरा शहजाद।
Assalamualaikum.
बेटी प्लीज।
Suppose I am going to an airport but it is necessary my documents, and police ask me, you show me your documents, but I forgot my document at my house. What will I do in this situation? Uh, Firstly, I will call at my house. Please, anyone can send me my documents. Today I forgot my documents at my house.
ओके शाबाश बेटी, अच्छा है, माशाल्लाह। सुफिया।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम, yes.
Suppose that I am going to airport and at the entrance of the airport showing ID is mandatory. But I forget my ID at home. I have tickets, but I don't have any identity card. What I will do in that situation? In that situation, firstly I will say to the policeman, sir, I have ticket, but I don't have any identity card. I forget at my home. But my all identities in my mobile. You can see at in my mobile. Otherwise, it is not possible. I go home because my home is very far away from here. So you can see my IDs in my phone. I
Okay,
have no
great.
other option.
स्पोक वेल, बहुत कम ग्रामेटिक एकाध है बस, बहुत अच्छा बोली बच्ची माशाल्लाह। आसिफ शेख।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
अब देखो तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी में आप लोग ही ना 4 चांद लगेंगे इसी से इंशाल्लाह, ठीक है जी। और कल आपका टॉपिक देने वाला हूँ मैं, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन। देखता हूँ कौन कौन बच्चे तैयारी करके आएंगे। इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन इज टॉपिक फॉर यू टुमारो। अब आपका वो जो था एक्सटेंड वैक्सेंड सब खत्म अब, ठीक है। अब आपका जो दिन है, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, फ्राइडे, उसमें टॉपिक्स आपका हर फ्राइडे को तो रहेगा ही रहेगा। बाकी जो आपका सैटरडे है उसमें जो पहला वाला पेज पढ़ा है ना आपको, बी वाज वर, वो दोनों पेजों के सेंटेंस बना कर लाइएगा। आपके सामने सिर्फ लफ्ज बोलूंगा, सेंटेंस बना कर दिखा देना उस पर मुझे। समझ में आ गया जी? ये तैयारी करके आना सैटरडे में, हर बच्चा आप में से मेहनत करिए। अब 1 महीना है बस, अगला आपका, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल। हो सकता है अगले महीने के भी 15 दिन हो या 20 दिन हो, ये तभी बताऊंगा जब आ गया महीना शुरू हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इसलिए मेहनत करिए दबा के आप। ओके आसिफ प्लीज।
Suppose you are going to airport. Suppose you are going to airport. At the entrance of gate, I realized that I forgot all document. What will I do in this situation? First of all, I will call my brother. Please send me. I forgot document at home. Please send me document on WhatsApp. I will see.
ओके अच्छा बाबू, स्पोक वेल। अभी कुछ ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक है, उनको सुधारना है आपको। जरा से आइए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अच्छा, मैं आप लोग को डिमोटिवेट नहीं कर रहा बाबू किसी को, ठीक है। आप सोचो कि सर ने मैं वो नहीं, मैं तारीफ तो मेरी आदत है, मोटिवेट करता हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये वक्त ऐसा है कि आपको बताना, आपको लेवल बताना है आपको। वो भी मिस्टेक्स चल रही हैं, उनको सही करना है ना, बेहतर बनाना है। शाबाश, जरा शाह बाबू। बाबू हसन, अभी तो ये बच्चे रह गए बहुत जी।
Suppose I am going to airport. I have all chicken. I forget all papers. I will do my pens on mobile and perhaps my first. I will go to end my. What will you do in this situation? And anyone.
ओके चलिए, शाबाश, अच्छी कोशिश बाबू आपकी जी। नाजिया। प्लीज।
Suppose that I'm going to the airport and I forgot at the entrance of the airport. I found that I have no document, and what I will do in that situation. Firstly, I will call to my mother. Please send me my document. I forgot my document at home, and she will forward me my document, and I will see the watchman. Yeah, this is my document. He will not agree. No, I want this document in hard form, and then after that he will get entry at the airport.
Okay.
Then I will find.
Continue.
then I will ask someone, is there any Xerox photocopy shop is here? Then someone told me that yes, it is there is a photocopy shop is nearby airport. Then I will go fast to the photocopy shop, and I will take out the photocopy, and I will give my all my documents to the watchman, and then I will get interest.
अच्छा माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया जी। सुमैया,
Assalamualaikum, sir.
please.
Suppose that I am going to the airport and at the enter the airport, but I forgot my old documents. Police is come and he tell me questions. How I manage things? That situation I do first. I feel sorry. I give him money. And my mobile phone have documents. My brother sent me the documents. I give to see him and I say anybody, I don't forget. Please forgive me. And he forgive me. I thanked him and I ascend the airport.
ओके, सब अच्छा है बेटे, माशाल्लाह। तस्नीम आइए, कुछ मिस्टेक्स हैं हल्की सी। तस्नीम प्लीज।
Suppose I am going to the airport. At the entrance of airport, I need to show ID, identities and documents. It is necessary and mandatory, but I forgot my identities and documents at home.
शाबाश, भूल गए बेटे। अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत प्यारी बच्ची माशाल्लाह है। अदीबा, लास्ट स्टूडेंट। बाकी जो लोग हैं वो मुझे जिनका नंबर नहीं आया, अशरफ आपको माइक नहीं ऑन हुआ था, जैनब आपका भी आ गया था, सिद्रा बेटे आप मुझे सेंड कर दीजिएगा, हसन उज़्ज़मा आपका भी, हसन आपका, बाकी लोग जो है इसका जवाब मुझे सेंड कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। फिर लास्ट बच्ची प्लीज, अदीबा। ओके, नाउ invite Adiba.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Islam, yes.
Suppose I am going to airport. In the entrance of airport, I need to show my ID card, but unfortunately, I forgot my ID card at home. On that time, if I have a document in my phone, I will show the policeman and say, unfortunately, I have forgotten my ID card and documents at home, and I will show him and go to the airport.
Okay. अच्छी बच्ची, स्पोक वेल, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बोली हैं आप। अच्छा भाई बच्चों, कल का टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन। देखता हूँ कौन कौन बच्चा इसमें बेहतरीन तैयारी के साथ आएगा। जिनका कैमरा ऑन होगा उनको प्रायोरिटी दी जाएगी बोलने के लिए, समझ में आया? क्योंकि आप जिनका कैमरा बंद हो जुगाड़बाजी से बोल सकते हैं, सीधी सीधी बात है, ठीक है, तो इसलिए कैमरा ऑन करके बोलना है आपको। मिलते हैं कल, देखते हैं इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।